President Donald Trump's Supreme Court nominee, Amy Coney Barrett, on Tuesday repeatedly declined to answer questions from U.S. senators, mostly Democrats, who tried in vain to pin her down on her views on landmark rulings legalizing abortion and gay marriage, or where she might stand on the health care law known as Obamacare.
Judges can't just wake up one day and say, I have an agenda, I like guns, I hate guns, I like abortion, I hate abortion, and walk in like a royal queen and impose, their will on the world. You have to wait for cases and controversies, which is the language of the Constitution, to wind their way through the process.
In day 2 of her confirmation hearings, Barrett, a conservative federal appellate judge, declined to answer whether she believed Roe v. Wade, which recognized a woman's constitutional right to terminate a pregnancy, was properly decided.
Senator, I completely understand why you are asking the question, but again, I can't pre-commit or say, yes, I'm going in with some agenda, because I'm not. I don't have any agenda. I have no agenda to try to overrule Casey. I have an agenda to stick to the rule of law and decide cases as they come.
Senator Dianne Feinstein, whom she was speaking to, was not pleased.
On something that is really a major cause with major effect on over half of the population of this country, who are women, after all, it's distressing not to get a straight answer.
Barrett would also now comment on whether she agreed with the late conservative Justice Antonin Scalia that the 2015 Supreme Court ruling legalizing gay marriage nationwide was wrongly decided.
Senator Feinstein, as I said to Senator Graham at the outset, if I were confirmed, you would be getting Justice Barrett, not Justice Scalia. So I don't think that anybody should assume that just because Justice Scalia decided a decision a certain way, that I would too.
On the topic of the Affordable Care Act, Barrett declined to say whether she would recuse herself, if confirmed, from considering an upcoming case in which President Trump and Republican-led states are seeking to invalidate Obamacare.
So that's not a question that I could answer in the abstract.
Or from any case that may arise if there is a legal dispute over the outcome of the November presidential election.
Absolutely not.
She was insistent that no one at the White House saw a commitment from her on how she would rule on any issue.
I have had no conversation with the president or any of his staff on how I might rule in that case. It would be a gross violation of judicial independence for me to make any such commitment or for me to be asked about that case and how I would rule.
Republicans have a majority in the Senate, making Barrett's confirmation to a lifetime seat on the Supreme Court a virtual certainty.
You would be getting Justice Barrett.
Her nomination offers the chance to cement a conservative majority on the court for years to come. And if confirmed, she'd be President Trump's third justice on the High Court.